It's me, Mario. Just kidding, it's season 2 and I could not find my mustache, but this is my Halloween costume for the year. So today we're going to be talking about Courage the Cowardly Dog for Courage the Cowardly Dog Halloween, the last episode that was ever made, which is the CGI episode, The Fog of Courage. Believe it or not, I actually watched it yesterday. I gotta admit, it was pretty good. So let's talk about it. So in the Fog of Courage, it starts out with Courage digging up things. And he finds this medallion, this necklace, okay? And I don't know what else he finds. He finds the necklace, and it says Coriana on it. So he brings in, and this fog starts following him. And he brings in, gives it to Muriel, and the farmer tells him, if there's anything that's in my yard, it's mine. And so they go upstairs to his computer to see how much it is. And the computer tells him that I'll leave a link, by the way, that way you guys can watch this episode as well. That it's worth a lot of money, but there's a curse to it. Anyone that wears the necklace will have their loved ones disappear forever. So the fog comes in to the house, and it starts saying Coriana, and Eustace, obviously being the stingy guy he is, doesn't want to give it up. So Muriel goes missing. And so you hear her go, Courage! And obviously, Courage starts thinking about what's going to happen if they don't give that necklace back to this fog. It starts following them throughout the house, and they get up onto the roof, and we always see hang off the edge of the roof. So Courage decides to throw it into the mouth of the fog, but by the way, it has a face. Don't ask me why, it just does. And it goes away, but Eustace goes in after it. And Muriel is seen along with Courage at the end of the episode. She wonders where Eustace is. And he's seen in the hole where Courage dug the hole. And hold on to the necklace. And the fog sees the Coriana. And that's it. Alright, next. Well, that's it for Courage the Cowardly Dog. But hope you guys enjoyed it. Next year, it's all about the grim adventures of Billy and Mandy. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and don't forget, next month is for Extra Life, and December is Starlight Children's Foundation. I'll see you guys next time. Like, comment, subscribe, share. I'll see you guys then.